Hello, welcome back to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to show you how to customize your loaders. Feng Cart includes more than 30 animated loaders. But you can also add your own custom animation. Let me show you how. Just click Add New Loader. Then go to Lottie Files link and pick an animation. Open it and download the JSON file. Now copy that JSON into the form and give it a name, and then hit Save. Let's see how this new loader looks instantly inside your app. With Feng Cart, choosing your loader or adding a new one, it's just one click and the changes are live instantly. No coding required. Try it free today and launch your app in minutes. See you in the next video.